In today's tutorial today, we are going to be looking at this question, and that is recurring decimals. When you say recurring decimals, the decimals that recurs, that keeps going, that doesn't have an end. That is recurring decimals. So now, how do we take or express recurring decimals in fraction? So we have this question, express 0.4 dots. This dots on top means the 4 keeps recurs. Okay, that is recurring as fraction. So we want to put this as fraction. How is it going to be? Please, there's something I want to teach you at the end of this. Okay, is a trick that you will not even take you, it will not take you a second before you get the answer. Okay, so now, but I would like us to solve this first before telling you the magic, right? So express 0.4 dot as fraction. So how are we going to do here? Now let this x, please, I want you to stay focused, because majority, I repeat again, majority of students are having issue, okay, with this. Okay, 90% of them cannot do this. So now let's see. Let x equals what? 0.4. Okay, now this 0.4 can be written as 0.4444, and 4 keeps going, and so on. Now let us call this equation star, because if I say let 0 point dot be this, now it means that this implies that x equals 0.444444, and so on. So let me call this one star. I've erased this one. Okay, now after this, let's multiply 10 by what? By star. If you multiply 10 by star, this star here, so we're going to have 10 times x. We have 10x equals, now we're going to have 10 multiplied by 0.4444, and this also keeps going. Can still what? We can still simplify the right hand side here further. Okay, that is, since we are having 10, we are multiplying 10 by this. It means this decimal point we have to shift forward just one time because of 1 0 that we have. This is going to be 4.4444, and so on, like that, which is same thing as 10x here. Now let's call this star star star, or star star. Now since this is star star, what can we do to the star and star? Let's solve them by having star star minus what? Minus star. It means we want to remove star from what? From star star, and that's going to be 10x equals 4.4444. Let me stop here, and so on. Then we're going to have our star. Let's bring it down, 0.4444, and that's, and so on. So if you remove this one like this, because we want to do subtraction, so 10x minus this, we're going to have 9x, then equals, now here you can see that we're going to have 4 points. Everything here, you see that 4 minus 4 will become 0. So everything here is 0. Then you now divide both sides by 9. Okay, this we cancel this. We have x to be 4 all over 9. Okay, so now this is to tell us that 0.4 dot dot is what? Is same thing as 4 over 9, because we've already said x to be what? 0.4. So therefore we have what? We have 0.4 dots to be 4 over 9 as what? As fraction. So now I told you that from the beginning that I'm going to teach you how you are going to do it if you are trying to express recurring decimal to fraction. So this is the trick. If you have this 0.4 dots, it means this 4 keeps going, 0.4444. So now you don't need to disturb yourself. Just pick this 4 that keeps recurring, okay, and have it like over 9. That is division by 9. If it is 0.23, if you have 0.23 like this, it means that 0.23, 23, 23, and so on. Are you getting it now? So now, if you want to write this as fraction, the one that keeps recurring, which is 23, just have 23 divided by, instead of 9, you now have 99. Do you understand now? So, and so on like that. So that is the idea. If you enjoy this class, please share this to your kids. They are going to love it. Please and follow our Facebook page for more educational content like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.